Hi everyone, I'm Joyce, the founder of FieldsMaster. At FieldsMaster, we are not just a manufacturer. We take full responsibility for every sports field. And just as every small field matters, every tiny granule matters too. Each one is treated like a crafted piece of art at FieldsMaster. Our team goes far beyond production. We understand materials, master construction processes, and design tailored project solutions. We provide our partners with every tool, every system, and every idea they need to grow stronger in their markets. In our eyes, there are no small customers. Every partner deserves the same respect, attention, and support. From the manufacturer's perspective, our slogan says, the world's finest EPDM. From the user's heart, it continues. Carefree running on right way. This is FieldsMaster, a one-year-old brand with 30 years of experience. Born to bring freedom, color, and vitality to every movement in the world. Thank you.
FieldsMaster has been deeply engaged in the field of EPDM colored granules, polyurethane binders, and our extended product lines. We integrate R&D, manufacturing, sales, and engineering services dedicated to providing global clients with comprehensive, high-quality one-stop flooring solutions. For sports surfaces, since our founding in 2007, we have built for fully owned automated factories with a total area of 100,000 square meters, equipped with advanced machinery and professional teams, and a global marketing center, forming a strong and efficient production and sales network. To date, FieldsMaster has delivered over 8,000 high-quality sports venues worldwide, with distributors in 18 countries and involvement in national-level stadium projects across 26 countries, earning trust through international-grade quality. FieldsMaster drives growth through technological innovation, leveraging 20 years of industry experience to customize automated production lines that enhance product stability. It pioneers a high-temperature, continuous baking process, replacing traditional methods and improving environmental performance by 40%, advancing green upgrades in the industry. FieldsMaster uses 100% imported raw rubber and industrial-grade color powders to offer 114 vibrant, long-lasting colors. The products, with UV resistance, high elasticity, and durability, suit various applications. A professional team combines R&D, sales, and precision manufacturing, while the company upholds social responsibility and engages in public welfare. Adhering to core values of quality first, innovation, and efficient collaboration, FieldsMaster is dedicated to its mission of making sports more comfortable. FieldsMaster upholds technological innovation and environmental sustainability, creating stable, durable, and eco-friendly products through the pioneering high-temperature, continuous baking process, and automated production lines, driving industry sustainability. Our products use industrial-grade high-performance pigments with excellent color fastness and UV resistance, alongside outstanding elasticity and tensile strength. We offer up to 114 color choices and remain committed to using 100% imported premium raw rubber, ensuring every site we serve is healthy, safe, and environmentally responsible. Widely applied in stadiums, kindergartens, children's play area, and public leisure spaces, we deliver comfortable, professional, and reliable sports surfacing solutions for users worldwide.